So our watermelon is taking off. It's a long branch, but we have a little watermelon growing. And right now, because we just now noticed it, my husband put a shirt out here to catch it and keep it up and prop. It's holding, but yeah, it's a long vine. As you can see, that's pretty much all of it along the gate there. And if I zoom in, we got to get that one right there, a little bitty watermelon that's starting to grow right there. So we're gonna get that. Falls off or something. But yeah, this is the watermelon vine. So we are looking forward to. Oh, here's another one. So there's another little watermelon growing. Really cool. So we're gonna have to put that inside a little entrapment, so to speak. But yeah, the watermelon plant, all from a bucket. That's the bucket down there. And yep, this is the vine that is growing all over the place, but it is enjoying itself.